You can't tell me what fi do, what fi go, how fi dress. Me no papi show. Me and the stars, so me and the fun of you.
Yes, I know, it's been all over the news. There is a heat wave coming in the UK. You're wondering, how am I going to survive this heat wave? In the UK, 40 degrees heat wave. Yes, I said it, 40 degrees heat wave.
Just talking about it's making me hot. Oh my god.
How am I going to survive? Well, I'm here today to tell you how to survive a 40 degrees heat wave. You're gonna thank me after this video, trust me, because I'm here to give you the tips and tricks how to stay cool. So, number one of how to stay cool is to stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, because you're gonna need it. Like, I'm telling you, you're going to need the water to stay hydrated, because if you don't drink water, game over. Your body will shut down and your skin will go all funny, and no, you don't want that, trust me, no. Another way to stay hydrated in the UK heat wave is to wear less clothes. Wear less clothes. Wear crop top, wear shorts. Man, wear shorts, just wear nothing basically. Just walk around like this. But wear limited clothes, guys. Wear limited clothes, because I know you're watching me right now and you're like, why are you wearing tracksuit bottoms? Listen. Right now, it's warm in it. It's a bit coldy, but it's warm. So it's alright. It's cool. It's cool. Right, the next way to stay hydrated or cool in the heat wave is to eat plenty of ice cream. Eat plenty of ice cream, ice poles. Just put plenty of ice in your cup, because you're gonna need it. You're gonna be sweating. Try your best not to do so much in a day, because when the heat comes, it's coming. When the heat comes, it is coming. The heat can make you feel tired, so don't do much. Just lay down and be like, take me guys, take me. And if you're one of those people who need to put on sun cream, then go ahead. We don't want people to burn or cook out here, so yeah. And make sure you have plenty of facial wipes, because it can get very sticky at the best of times. So make sure you have facial wipes so you can just wipe your face from time to time. And try your best, ladies, not to wear makeup or not to wear a lot of makeup, because your makeup's gonna run, baby. It's gonna run. You're gonna be out here looking like spaghetti on the plate falling off. I'm telling you, don't do it to yourself. Don't insult yourself. Don't do it. The next way to stay hydrated is, or the next way to stay cool in the UK heat wave, is to have plenty of showers throughout the day, because you could be out the house for, let's say, 5 hours, and when you come back home you're feeling all sticky and stink, and you're thinking, my god, why do I feel so irritated? Go and have a cool shower, and keep yourself feeling fresh all the time, because body odor, it's not the one. It is not the one. Anything else I can think about? And using deodorant. I know some people who claim they use deodorant, but they don't. But guys, using deodorant helps a lot, which I do hope a lot of you know, because a lot of you will hopefully be using it. But if you don't, then go to your local supermarket today and get yourself some deodorant. And that's about it from me today, really. I don't really have much to say apart from make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on that bell, and stay hydrated. Enjoy the UK heat wave. 40 degrees. 40 degrees. 40 degrees. Right guys, I'm out. Peace.